Hello, everyone, and welcome to Market Wrap with Raja. Today is the 4th of February 2021, and the markets are definitely on the bullish plane, and it's actually creating a lot of nervousness. But then हमें जानना है कि डर के आगे जीत है and the way the markets are behaving, it is always saying us that you got to be on the bullish side. और जिस तरह से हम मार्केट को देख रहे हैं, एक बात अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ रहा है कि हमें लॉन्ग करना चाहिए और लॉन्ग करने के लिए काफी सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज आ रहे हैं और आज का अपॉर्चुनिटीज आप देखेंगे तो द मोस्ट टॉक्ड अबाउट स्टॉक सोया हुआ मुर्दा जाग गया है, right? That's what people are talking about ITC, right? ITC is was the stock of the day, right? There are many stocks which move and they actually move. रोज के मेहमान हैं, रोज चलते हैं, लेकिन आज आईटीसी ने जो दमदार परफॉर्मेंस दिखाई है उससे there is a strong case of bullishness once again. Well, is it going to be the end of a bull run, or is it something which is spiraling more upside in the coming days? That's what we are going to see. But then when you take a look at the kind of movers and shakers, you found that yes, today more than 350 stocks were on the positive side in the Nifty 500. And it definitely said that yes, market began with some hesitation, but on this expiry, we are seeing a very big shift in the month of February. क्योंकि पिछले 3 सालों में अगर आप देखेंगे कि फेब्रुवरी मंथ में हमेशा एक फॉल आया है एंड इवन लास्ट ईयर February had a decline, but then this year February is definitely showing a very strong case of bullishness, and it has been fueled largely by the sharp move which we are seeing in Bank Nifty. Well, people felt that at higher levels there should be some call writings. That's what we saw around 15,000 and at 35,000. There were a lot of call writings happening. But then what we are finding is that there is a lot of call unwinding now, and probably people are hoping for a reaction from there. But I don't think that's going to happen because that's what I'm seeing on the charts. And we are going to take a look at it on the charts and find out what lies ahead in Bank Nifty and in Nifty in 2 moments from now. Let's go right in and see it on the charts.
Are the levels. So you can see here right now that for the immediate moment, I spoke about 15,037 as R3. R3 is an important resistance zone, and if you saw here that we are nearing around that zone as the 1.272. So it is tying up with the R3. Any pullback is a buying opportunity. 14,763, which is your the key levels from where it surpassed and it held for 2 days. So you have your levels defined. Any dip towards 14,750, which I said is a dip buy opportunity. 15,100, 15,050 to 100, you can take as the first target. So you have your levels out for tomorrow, and this is what the setup looking like for Nifty. Now let's get into Bank Nifty and find out what does Bank Nifty have to tell us. And you can see here that banks has been the primary reason why you had a very swift recovery. So if you see here right now, if I just shift to the intraday charts, you will see here that a very good reversal zone. So these are some reversal approaches which I share in my webinar. I'm conducting a webinar on this Sunday. You could join me, and I'll explain to you how to handle such situations. And you can see here that it held at S1. So what I have always told you as part of my YouTube videos is, hey, if you're not been watching my YouTube videos, you could just go and hit the like button and also subscribe and hit the notification, because you will be getting interesting updates on how to understand the market. Now, if you see here, Bank Nifty has held S1. So if a stock is not going below S1, it is a clear sign that the prices are not intending to go lower. So you had some minor gap down, and you had some consolidation. But then once the reversal happened at S1, you can see here a fantastic move all the way till R3. I've mentioned that R3 is a profit booking zone. And what happened at R3 in Bank Nifty, that there was a strong profit booking that emerged, and that's why the prices stalled towards the end of the day. Well, today was an expiry, and expiry is a favorite with bank. Everyone likes to trade Bank Nifty on the expiry day, and we saw a more than 600 point move in Bank Nifty that we saw here. was a fantastic approach. So it went all the way from 34,300 to 35,300. So not even 600, it was a 1,000 point move. So a 1,000 point move in Bank Nifty within the whole day is something which you have never ever anticipated. But then that's not done yet. If you go into the daily chart, okay, if you go into the daily chart, Bank Nifty was at a very crucial resistance. Whenever there is a Fibonacci resistance, you will always find that there is a reaction. And this, because of the momentum which is there right now, you saw a brief reaction, and from there on, Bank Nifty pulled up, crossed over the resistance, and now in the forthcoming weeks, you can expect a target of around 38,000. So that's the potential which Bank Nifty has. And unless and until 33,000 is broken on the downside, you got to forget about any going short in Bank Nifty. You got to forget about going short in Bank Nifty. Any dip towards 33,000 could be bought into. And when you take a look at the momentum indicator, that's what is very, very encouraging. Bank Nifty has finally come out of its shadow, and you can see here a very strong, resolute momentum which has been displayed. So Bank Nifty is once again going to take lead tomorrow, and I can expect that the Bank Nifty would again give some decent movement. So what is that decent movement? Let's go and take the help of our friend Neo Trader and find out. Now, when I go and take a look at Bank Nifty, I find that yes, there is a lot of potential here, and it has clearly surpassed all the resistance levels. So now you can see here right now the immediate targets is around 36,200. On the pullbacks, you can see that unless and until 34,500 is crossed, you don't have to worry. Everything is fine. And on the upside, you have a target of around 36,200. So that is the scenario on Bank Nifty. And even if you take a look at the intraday charts are clear that yes, there is more room on the upside. So yes, this is what I wanted to share with you as part of today's analysis. The overall setup is bullish, and I'm sure that you'll be having an exciting trading day tomorrow. Till I catch you again in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. So these are the levels to watch out for. I hope you like what I'm sharing with you, and we'll connect in the next video.
Yes, we saw on the charts how fantastically poised the Nifty is. It gave us a gap up opening a few days ago, and since then, Nifty has been on a stellar upward performance. Every dip has been bought into, and now you saw on the Bank Nifty charts how a very strong resistance breakout has emerged, and that resistance breakout, a strong Fibonacci resistance breakout, is now opening up doors in Bank Nifty to much higher levels. So Bank Nifty and Nifty are definitely poised for more upside. Nifty IT थोड़ा रुक गया है, but then that's not a problem. So overall prospect seems to be bullish, and we are definitely going to end the week on a strong bullish note. And looking at the overall prospects, I definitely feel that the markets are headed for more upside. So this is all I have with you for right now. Hope to catch you once again on our video. And if you're watching this video for the first time, do like, comment, and subscribe on this video, because your love and support is what brings me back every day to share with you the different kind of updates and different kind of news flow about the markets. Thank you so much. This is Radha Venkataraman signing off. I'm the founder of New Trader and also a trading influencer. Been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like me. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.